All right, a smash-o-mash, fake news, alarmist weather report. Let's do it! We got crazy storms around Missouri, Illinois, Indiana. We got a bunch of small rain showers, summer rain showers, southern New England, Pennsylvania, New York. The monsoon season is still in full effect in southern Nevada, Arizona, the Four Corners region, Wyoming, and western North Dakota. Take a closer look. Getting a little bit of thunderstorms there around southern Illinois. Look the hell out. Look the hell out and make sure your pants aren't soiled. You know what your mom used to say? If you get killed in a thunderstorm, last thing you want is whoever does the autopsy to realize that you had soiled pants. So change your underwear if you haven't done it yet, and if the storm makes you poop your pants, change promptly. Preferably underneath a concrete wall, barrier, or other reinforced areas such as a fallout shelter. We got a central California coast area. We got a little early morning, late night, early morning kind of a shower thing going on here. We're not sure if that's got anything to do with Mexican necromancy or not, but there are no distinct signatures of Santa Muerte in this area. Cheers. Regarding the meeting between the Druids and the Illuminati, we don't have too much information on that, but we would think that if it's going on, it's going to be in this region right here, for reasons we'll get into momentarily. Now let's look at some other instruments here to get a bigger picture. There's your water vapor map. Actually, let's look at the long wave radiation map via the NASA GOES interactive weather satellite. All right. So we got something to talk about here, and that is do not get on a boat with Mark Wahlberg, as you may find yourself drowned. We believe a submarine is an okay thing, boat is a bad thing, and a ship is an even worse thing. So if you're there, get the hell out of there and sail west. Due west, young man. Next, we got more crazy storms in Mexico. We're pretty sure this is from Santa Muerte activity, but we got to stick with the U.S. here. Big storm. Look at the resolution. I'll bet you there's lightning coming down right now. So if you got a motorcycle helmet, got a hard hat, get that shit on now. Pardon my French. And let's look at the upper level situation here. What's going on in the water vapor? There you go. Some clouds forming. They look scary. Look at this line of different levels of dry air. Like this air isn't as dry as this air. And this air isn't as dry as this air. And then like this air is wetter. And this air is like really wet. It's pretty spooky. If you're in southern Indiana, find a cave. I'll bet there's some limestone caverns there. Get yourself hunkered down. Get underneath a manhole cover. Get involved. Take a towel. Throw it up in the air. Wet the towel. Throw it up in the air. When it comes down, it's brown. Wash the towel. Brown goes into the ocean. Recycles pollution. Lastly, there's some funky stuff going on in the southern Atlantic here off the coast of Florida, North Carolina, and South Carolina. Let's take a zoomed in look. On the zoom, check it out. Off the coast of Florida, North Carolina, Georgia, etc. We got a lot of shady activity out here. It's a combat. Well, what's really happening is this is the chemtrail folks helping out the voodoo people. So you got, when a voodoo priestess tells you to put up some chemtrails someplace, you listen, because you don't really want her to make a doll based on your visage, right? If she got your hair samples, you're going to be screwed. So anyway, they got chemtrails all around here and like up in this area. You see chemtrails like crazy. So just hold your breath until those pass over. Stay away from the voodoo types. And remember, on your way home, if you're sailing, don't drink. And if you drink, don't sail.